Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to find articles using Jstor, one of the many article databases provided by the Wichita State University Libraries. To access a database, go to the library homepage at libraries.wichita.edu. Under Library Resources, select the link for electronic databases, here. This link takes you to an alphabetical listing of all our databases. As Jstor, unsurprisingly, begins with the letter J, that is where we will find it. Just a reminder, if you are attempting to access Jstor from off-campus, you will be prompted to log in with your Shocker ID and password before continuing on to the database. Those of you who have already used Jstor know that it is notorious for providing the user with a massive number of results in basic search mode, so I would suggest bypassing basic search altogether and going directly to advanced search by clicking the link here. Now, there are a lot of options on the advanced search page. You can limit your results by format, language, data publication, discipline, or even down to specific journals. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I want to focus on the item type limiter right here. You'll notice that there are a number of options to limit your results to, as Jstor covers not only scholarly articles, but also book reviews, some book chapters, and other materials. However, if you are looking for scholarly articles, the rest of these things will just give you more results to sift through. So go ahead and check off the box marked Articles, which will limit your results to articles only. You'll also notice that unlike some of our other databases, Jstor does not have a peer-reviewed limiter. This is because all of the materials in Jstor are peer-reviewed, so you don't need to worry about establishing that before beginning your search. Okay, having set up our limiters, we can now enter our search query. Let's assume I wanted to know about how the Treaty of Versailles led to the Second World War. So I'll start by searching for the phrase Treaty of Versailles in the search box. Note, I put the whole phrase in quotation marks. This means that Jstor will look for the whole phrase instead of looking for every instance of the words treaty, of, and Versailles in the database, a search that would bring up a lot of useless results. So from this query, we get 4,956 results. Not bad for Jstor, but far too many results to easily browse. So we need to narrow our search by providing more search terms. To narrow a search, click on the Modify Search link here. So now I'll add the search phrase war guilt to the original search terms, and let's see what results we get. 204 hits, a far more manageable set of results. So now, let's access one of these articles. How about British historians and the Treaty of Versailles? Clicking on the title provides us with citation information for the article up here, and a preview of the article PDF down here. Unlike some databases, Jstor does not automatically provide us with an abstract of the article. So if you want to read the abstract or get a sense of what the article is about prior to download, you will need to check out the preview and see if there is an abstract available. In order to access the PDF, click on the View PDF link here. A pop-up may arrive which will ask you to accept Jstor's terms and conditions to proceed. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you have access to the PDF and you can choose to print the article right away or save it to your computer flash drive or cloud storage for later use. As always, you can name the saved PDF file whatever you want, but in order to easily find it and cite it later on, it's a good idea to save it using the formula of the author's last name, in this case Klein, and the year of publication, in this case 1988. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. If you have any questions or need research assistance, please call us at the Ref Desk. Our number is 316-978-3584.